Hi guys, Reformat PCC
Going.
here.
Doing maintenance. Check na to kanyang Windows activation. First, for maintenance. Ayan. Check natin guys. SL Manager plus XPR. Windows in activation mode. Ibig sabihin, deactivated na siya guys. Maya maya may lalabas dito for activation. Dapat Windows is in notification mode. Ibig sabihin, not activated siya. Check natin ang kanyang crossfire. If working ba? Yeah. Problem. Missing DLL. Okay. Back later guys para mag-solve. Well guys, done natin ginawa na natin paraan sa mahiwagang technique. Open tayo sa Word, Windows. Check natin kung permanent na ba. Kanina notification mode. So, check natin SL Manager. XPR. So, yan guys. The machine is permanently activated na guys. Kita ba? Yan. The machine is permanently activated. So, done na. Next problem is yung crossfire. Is it working now or not? Check natin guys. Ginamitan natin ng mahiwagang technique again. Last time nag-missing DLL siya.
Oh no!
Yes! Get you! Tapos ang problema tapos folder hider na lang locker para safe na ang kanilang folders.
So that's it guys. Kung sino mang may problema nga parehod dyan, PM lang or text 0956-875-1962 para masolusyonan yung problema. Thank you and God bless. Bye.